This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Natalie Staff. Come see this beautiful in-unit townhome in desirable Berewick. Home is like new and offers an open floor plan, gas fireplace, stainless steel appliances, and backs up to green space which provides lots of privacy. Berewick community features a clubhouse, outdoor pool with play area, lots of common space, fitness center, and lovely walking trails. For more information, review the details below or contact Natalie Staff at 704-807-6115.